Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, but as you can tell, we are not at Haulover Inlet, we are at the Canal, up in Point Pleasant, New Jersey, and this place is ferocious. It is known for swallowing boats whole. I'm curious though, we named this place the Canal based on the fact we think it's one of the wildest canals in the country, but maybe we're wrong. It won't be the first time. Let me know in the comments below if you know a canal that is wilder than this one, and maybe we've named this one wrong and need to look at something else. But let's go ahead and get this one started as we'll move into the first round of our competition where we're going to have a whalecraft stepping in the ring trying to do battle with the canal, and here we go. So far they look pretty good, but this is a risky proposition keeping people in the bow, but our guy's riding it out right now. They're gonna hit some heavy wake. Oh no! Our guy in the bow goes down. They hit this last wave here and my man just slides right off the seat, hits the deck. Man, I hope he's okay on that one. He gets up and does wind up having a smile on his face, but unfortunately we're gonna have to give the Canal the win in that first round. And here in the second round, we're gonna feature a Mako trying to make its way through the canal, and they've got somebody in the front again. Oh no! Close calls here. I think they made it though. I mean, that was actually pretty impressive. When I saw them hit that first wave, I thought for sure they were gonna stuff the bow. They hit the first one, bow stays up, second one, they're still good, and even on the third pound, man, they catch a lucky break, but they take a win for the boats here in the second round. And here in the third round, we're going to feature a crowd favorite, a bayliner stepping in the ring trying to tackle the canal. Cab looks pretty good so far, keeping the bow a little high, but about to hit some wake. Oh no! They're going to nosedive right into that one, stuff the bow like a submarine. She just comes over the top and doesn't have an option. Right here, we get the plop, boom! Stuffs it, and man, another person with the free canal deck rinse. She does pull out at the end, gets the throttle up, but unfortunately she does take the loss there, and that's going to give the canal the 2-1 edge as we move into the fourth round where we will feature a Cape Horn making its way through the canal. Now the Cape Horn's a very narrow boat with a steep dead rise, which in these kind of conditions can make it a very rocky ride. And probably keep the captain on his toes as you'll have to pay a little better attention than most, but so far they look pretty good. He gets on the throttle a little bit to straighten it out. And this boat's designed for offshore. I mean, they shouldn't have any issues here in the canal, and it looks like they'll be just fine. Take a win for the boats in the fourth round, bringing us to a 2-2 tie as we move into the fifth and final round of our competition, where we will feature a Monterey. Oh, and I can't even get that out of my mouth. And they stuff the bow with the kids in the front. Actually, we'll go with the multiple stuffing here. Kids are soaked, but here we go. We look at the replay. They just nosedive right there in the first one, and that's it. It ends so fast here in the fifth round where the Monterey is going to take a loss for the boats, and unfortunately that means the Canal will take the win in this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens to the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.